My name is Andy Avila. I served in the U.S. Army National Guard from 2003 to 2009. I own a franchise with Image One, and we serve the northwest suburbs in the Chicagoland. In the civilian world, there's a lot of tasks, that you have, but do you complete them? Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. In the military, there's no sometimes. You have to complete the task. So as a franchise owner, being able to complete the task that is placed in front of me, I know that I have to do it one way or another. It has to get done. So I think those skills have really helped me succeed as a franchise owner. A franchise, I would say, they offer a road to success if you're able to implement and follow everything that they provide. They give you like the game plan, and you just need to implement it, push it forward, and more than likely you are going to succeed. In the military, you have to be quick on your feet because there's consequences if you're not. Just having that mentality as far as, okay, here's a problem, here's the solution. Here's another problem, here's another solution. If this solution doesn't work, let's try this solution. My franchise has grown into something that I probably never imagined. Started with my wife as just a small business, but now it has really grown into something bigger than a small business for sure. It can be anywhere from a part-time job to a full-time job. It's however you want it to grow, that's where it'll go. It's up to you to push it.